All right, ladies and gentlemen, my next video here is going to show you how to create an area model. And you'll notice inside my cups here, I have different colored M&Ms. And so I'm going to label this cup as cup number 1. And this is going to be cup number 2. And so we're always going to start here with the first item that's given to us, so cup number 1. And if we look inside of this cup, we'll notice that we have 4 different colors. We have blue, red, that's blue, orange, green, and yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and with an area model, we're going to make a table that looks like this. And I'm going to list those colors. And again, I'm going to use just the first letter of each color. So blue, and actually I'm going to make that one be L for blue, and then O for orange, green, and yellow. And so again, that's cup number 1 is going to go across the top. So I'm going to go ahead and label that as cup 1. So whatever the first thing is that we're picking goes at the top. And then cup 2 is going to go down the side here. And so you'll see in there I have brown, I have red, and I have orange. So brown, BR, red, and then orange. And so again, that's cup 2. And so what we're looking is all the different possible combinations that I could have if I were to choose a candy out of this cup and then choose a candy out of this cup. And so we're going to go ahead and list those together. So I can list, this is blue first and then brown. I could pick a blue first and then a red. I could pick a blue and then I could pick an orange. And so notice what I have here. The first item that I pick is listed first, and then the second item out of the second cup is second. So I'm going to go ahead and continue filling out my table here. So orange and brown, orange and red, orange and orange. I have a green and brown, a green and red, and a green and orange. And finally, I have a yellow with brown. I have a yellow with a red, and I have yellow with orange. And so as you can see here, if I take each of these colors out and I lay them on top of their labels, so here's my blue, my orange, my green, and my yellow. And then I'll do the same thing here with my brown, my red, and my orange. And so you can see here, these are all the different combinations I can have. I can have a blue and a brown. I could have blue with red, and I could have blue with orange. Okay, so now that our area model is completed, we can go ahead and figure out how many outcomes we have. And the total number of outcomes in this image is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 outcomes. Now, just a sneak peek as to what we will do in the future. I can tell you guys can't see how many outcomes. What we will do in the future is I will ask, or you will be asked, what is the probability of something happening? So if I were to ask you right now, what's the probability of choosing an orange and a red? Well, we know the total number of outcomes is 12, so that's going to be my denominator. And if I take a look at my chart here, I want orange first and red second, so orange first and red second, and you'll notice there's only one. So that answer, or our probability of choosing an orange and a red, is 1/12. I hope you guys understand my video, and it's time for you to create your own area model based on the information given to you in your Google slide.